Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Statistics ki day hadu kapor sibaje menta kasni. Kies ki batmai ki bangiyo hadu menta kilong live kulai. Nagini live kulai, apo is kasils kidan arpunyo. Pra gede armed forces, line di BSF, but hadn't real gede kiwe. West Garo Hills, iwe, napo BSF. Ribhoy line are gede armed forces, iwe kiwe. East Janta Hills, iwe, but West Khasi Hills, iwe. Baro, belum lang the total active case. Ilong, Sunspa, Kundai. Apo East Khasi Hills, Midan, South Spa, Kundai. Lagi di South Spa, Kundai, BSF kilong Aspa, Kapra. Iwe belong Aspa Aksal, but the armed forces San Pasal. Apo West Khasi Hills, Nidan San, Ribhoy, South Kundril, West Janta Hills, Hatsao, East Janta Hills, Kandril, West Garo Hills, Kandril, Southwest Garo Hills, South Garo Hills are people are recovered. Mentak sini kilong live Kundai, nagini live Kundai, live Friday na BSF, but iwe. People are recovered hadu mentak, baru belum lang kilong Aspa Sankuar. But kita harap mau kilong San. Test result kita ginang up kilong Kumba Sunspa Lightweight. Drill gurung spok state ka spok berjalan ke sini. Hadu mentak sini RJ kilong up sa baca light spa sa. Nagini ke aku ni. Ki head staff ki jungi na po civil hospital ki sa gede ki attendant po civil hospital, but iwe ide patient po civil hospital. New ide ki ball high gede ki returnees, gede ki migrants contact, gede ki armed forces, line within BSF. West Garo Hills, iwe, they na po BSF. Ribhoy, line, iwe na po police, but within armed forces. East Janta Hills, iwe nektuki, pati jungdi po natin may market. West Khasi Hills, doon pa po asa.